So I'd like something icy.
You want an icy or something?
Yeah.
Something cool?
Yeah.
You're not going to leave?
No, I'm going to stay with you.
You're going to stay with me, and I'm going to get you to Florida.
That's all I want.
Okay. Sir, can you help me for a minute? I have a disoriented elderly person that was driving behind 30. He asked me to get a slushie, but I don't want to leave and he drive off. Okay. Either you can watch him or I can go. He said the last thing he had was a slushie in Sarasota. It's got 25 miles. I've been riding past him since Savannah. He's doing 25, 30 on the interstate.
How old is he?
He's old. He wants a slush, something icy. Yes, ma'am. Yes, and I already have the people in the group.
Why are your feet all swollen? You doing okay? You all right? Oh yeah? Okay. I'm former fireman, so. Okay. Huh?
Yeah.
You think maybe we can call somebody to get you looked at? No, you're good. Okay.
That's.
Medicare,
She was worried about you. You're driving 20 miles an hour down the road.
I wasn't sure because the distances don't tell me what I want to see. But what primarily was the fact that you were blinking, that you were a friend.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that helped me because the directions weren't given.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm worried about. I want you to get off driving again.
I've been driving for 8 to 5 years.
I understand. You know, but everybody needs help now. I mean, okay. She's just worried about you driving.
He went to get they're getting you a slushie right now. Okay? Yeah, we're friends and we just want to make sure you're safe. And I know you know how to drive and I know you're just trying to, they've been sending you back, it keeps sending you back and forth to Florida. But you said Sarasota and it's like 70 miles to the state line.
They traded off ownership.
Uh-huh.
Because it was Hampton Inn and Suites was always in Sarasota, Florida.
Uh-huh.
Okay? But not anymore.
Okay.
Now that's Hampton Inn drive-through.
Okay.
No suites. In other words, they changed.
I understand your concern, but they would normally come check them out.
Oh, they're coming.
They are coming.
They're coming. I caught them on the interstate at Midway.
Okay. I've got to meet.
Oh no, you're
somebody
fine.
right
No, you're fine. I was just, I was gonna run in and get the slushie. I just needed you to watch me.
I don't need any interference with me.
No, you don't need. I'm not getting you any interference. I just want to make sure they're getting you a slushie right now. We're getting icy from.